Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the remarkable yet fragile world of endangered species. Our planet is home to an astonishing diversity of life, with each species playing an important role in maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem. However, due to human activity, many of these species are on the brink of extinction. In this video, we'll dive into the lives of 5 critically endangered animals. From their unique behaviors to the extreme challenges they face, each one has a story that needs to be told. We'll look at what makes these species so special, the factors driving them toward extinction, and the international efforts to save them. So, let's jump into this journey of discovery and see what actions are being taken to preserve these extraordinary animals. Number 5. Sea turtles have roamed the oceans for millions of years, making them one of the most ancient marine species. Among the best-known species are the green sea turtle, Colonia mitis, loggerhead, Caretta caretta, and leatherback, Dermoculus coriacea. These turtles inhabit different parts of the world's oceans and are famous for their long migration routes. Green sea turtles, for example, are herbivores and primarily feed on seagrass and algae, playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy seagrass beds which, in turn, support other marine life. Unfortunately, sea turtles face numerous threats, both on land and in the ocean. Coastal development has led to the loss of nesting beaches, a critical part of their life cycle. Additionally, plastic pollution poses a severe risk, as turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, leading to ingestion and often fatal consequences. Climate change is also affecting the sand temperatures where they nest, altering the sex ratios of hatchlings. Moreover, illegal hunting and poaching for their shells and eggs continue to reduce turtle populations, especially in regions where turtle products hold cultural or economic value. Conservationists are working to protect nesting sites by establishing marine protected areas and monitoring nests. Rescue organizations worldwide are engaged in beach cleanups, education campaigns, and direct intervention to reduce plastic waste in the oceans. Hatcheries have been set up in several countries to safeguard and monitor eggs, ensuring higher survival rates for hatchlings. Efforts to reduce illegal poaching and hunting have also been stepped up, with stricter enforcement of wildlife protection laws in turtle habitats. Organizations like the Sea Turtle Conservancy and World Wildlife Fund, WWF, have launched global campaigns to educate the public on the importance of reducing plastic waste and protecting marine habitats. Through social media campaigns, documentaries, and ecotourism initiatives, awareness about the plight of sea turtles has grown, inspiring more people to contribute to conservation efforts. Countries across the globe are also collaborating on joint research to better understand and protect sea turtle populations. Number 4. Amur leopards, Panthera pardus orientalis, are adapted to the cold, harsh forests of eastern Russia and northern China, where they are distinguished by their thick, luxurious fur. They are powerful hunters, capable of taking down prey several times their size. Despite their adaptability and strength, they are one of the rarest big cats in the world, with a wild population of fewer than 100 individuals. Amur leopards are solitary animals, relying on stealth and strength to survive in challenging environments. Amur leopards face multiple threats, including poaching for their valuable fur and habitat loss due to logging and agricultural expansion. Human encroachment has forced these leopards into increasingly fragmented habitats, leading to inbreeding, which further weakens the population's genetic diversity. Forest fires, often started by humans, also threaten the leopard's remaining habitat. In addition, conflicts with farmers and livestock owners can lead to retaliation killings. Conservationists have established protected reserves, such as the Land of the Leopard National Park in Russia, which has helped increase Amur leopard populations. Anti-poaching efforts have been intensified, with patrols regularly monitoring the reserves. Reintroduction programs and cross-border collaboration between Russia and China aim to ensure a stable and genetically diverse population for the Amur leopard. The plight of the Amur leopard has attracted global attention, and organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, are working to educate the public about the critical need for habitat preservation. Online petitions and social media campaigns have mobilized people worldwide to support leopard conservation efforts, raising significant funds for habitat restoration. Number 3. The Javan rhino, or Rhinoceros sondacus, is the rarest of the 5 rhino species, with fewer than 70 individuals left in the wild. These solitary creatures once roamed across Southeast Asia, but today they are found only in Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia. Javan rhinos are recognized by their single horn and gray armor-like skin, which gives them a prehistoric look. Unlike other rhino species, Javan rhinos are highly reclusive and avoid open spaces, preferring dense forests. Habitat loss and poaching are the primary threats to the Javan rhino. Poachers target these animals for their horns, which are highly valued in traditional medicine. Despite international bans on the trade of rhino horn, black market demand remains high. Additionally, the Javan rhino's restricted habitat makes the species vulnerable to natural disasters and diseases, which could wipe out the entire population. Human encroachment has also led to habitat fragmentation, isolating populations and limiting gene flow, which is essential for their long-term survival. The establishment of Ujung Kulon National Park has provided the Javan rhino with a safe haven, and anti-poaching measures have been strengthened to protect these rare animals. Conservationists have also created wildlife corridors to encourage gene flow and improve habitat quality. The Rhino Protection Unit, a specialized anti-poaching team, is dedicated to monitoring and safeguarding the rhino population, and plans are underway to establish a second population in another protected area to mitigate the risk of extinction due to a single catastrophic event. International NGOs, such as the International Rhino Foundation, play an active role in conservation efforts by funding habitat preservation and anti-poaching patrols. Awareness campaigns have also been launched to reduce demand for rhino horn products and to educate local communities about the importance of rhino conservation. Schools in Indonesia are incorporating conservation topics into their curricula, inspiring the next generation to protect their unique wildlife. Number 2. The vaquita, Phocina sinus, is a small, shy porpoise that resides exclusively in the northern part of the Gulf of California, Mexico. Known for its distinctive black markings around the eyes and mouth, this rare marine mammal measures only around 4 to 5 feet in length. Vaquitas are solitary creatures and are rarely seen in groups. Despite their elusive nature, they play an important role in the Gulf's ecosystem by keeping fish populations balanced, which in turn helps support biodiversity. Vaquitas are one of the most endangered marine species in the world, with fewer than 10 individuals estimated to remain. Their biggest threat comes from illegal fishing activities targeting the totoaba fish, whose swim bladder is a delicacy in certain traditional medicines and can fetch high prices on the black market. The use of gill nets in totoaba fishing is illegal, but the demand is so high that illegal fishing persists. Vaquitas often get entangled in these nets, leading to drowning as they cannot surface for air. The Mexican government, along with international conservation organizations, has attempted to combat illegal fishing and protect the vaquita, but enforcement remains a challenge. The Mexican government has banned gill net fishing in vaquita habitats and has increased patrols to deter illegal fishing. However, these measures have only had limited success. To increase awareness, environmental organizations have launched worldwide campaigns to educate people about the vaquita's plight. Technology has also played a role, with drones and acoustic monitoring systems helping track illegal fishing and vaquita populations. Conservationists continue to explore captive breeding programs, although the vaquita's elusive nature makes this a difficult task. The critically endangered status of the vaquita has highlighted the issue of illegal wildlife trade and its devastating effects. International organizations, such as the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, have joined forces with local authorities to reduce demand for totoaba swim bladders by educating consumers and pushing for stricter laws. This unique marine mammal has become a symbol of the urgent need for marine conservation efforts worldwide. Number 1. Sumatran orangutans, known scientifically as Pongo abeli, are one of the most intelligent and social primates, sharing approximately 97% of their DNA with humans. Found exclusively in the rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, these orangutans play an essential role in their ecosystem. Through their frugivorous diet, they help disperse seeds across vast areas, promoting the growth of diverse plant species that other animals also rely on. Known for their distinct reddish-brown fur and remarkable intelligence, Sumatran orangutans have developed complex social structures and are capable of using tools to extract food from otherwise inaccessible places. Unfortunately, Sumatran orangutans are critically endangered, with deforestation being one of the primary threats. Vast sections of their habitat are destroyed each year to make way for palm oil plantations. The demand for palm oil, which is found in countless products from processed foods to cosmetics, continues to rise globally. This demand drives illegal logging and slash-and-burn farming, which rapidly consumes the orangutans' forest homes. Habitat loss confines these primates to ever smaller areas, forcing them into closer proximity with human settlements, where they risk being hunted or captured for the illegal wildlife trade. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect Sumatran orangutans. Organizations like the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program, SOCP, focus on creating and enforcing protected areas. They also work with local communities to encourage sustainable agricultural practices, reducing the dependence on palm oil plantations. Recently, reforestation projects have been launched to restore orangutan habitats, and ecotourism initiatives are providing local people with alternative income sources, making it possible to protect both the animals and the forest. The plight of the Sumatran orangutan has sparked global campaigns to reduce palm oil consumption. Many companies are now turning to sustainable palm oil sources, a shift that could help protect these forests. Still, greater awareness is needed, especially among consumers, to support sustainable practices. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and the United Nations have collaborated to raise global awareness about the environmental impact of palm oil, offering a glimmer of hope for these incredible creatures. These incredible species are more than just fascinating animals. They are vital components of their ecosystems and symbols of the planet's extraordinary biodiversity. Their futures may be uncertain, but thanks to dedicated conservationists and global efforts, there's hope. From reducing our own environmental impact to supporting conservation initiatives, we each have a role to play in preserving these magnificent creatures. Thank you for watching, and please remember to share this video to help spread awareness. Together, we can make a difference for a future where these remarkable animals thrive.